Let's take a look at creating 3 regional territories in the United States. I've already created the Central, East, and West territory, and I've narrowed in on the United States and focused in on states. You can go into 2-digit zip code or 5-digit zip code, but today we'll just stay at the state level. So I want to balance these 3 territories, and I'm just going to balance them by number of accounts. So I actually have these map metrics available to me. And these are pre-built metrics in the app. And let's find our number of accounts. Let's go ahead and hit confirm. This will spin up a heat map for me. Now, what's interesting is I can go ahead and say, well, I know what West is generally going to be. And I can use a lasso tool to essentially select kind of these Western states. Double click to close. And then we can do this for the East. Select the lasso, the polygon. And maybe we'll go to here. And then let's do the central. Get in Indiana, Louisiana. Okay, so I've got them all carved up. East, and if I hover over here, we can see a percentage breakdown. So we can see East has got a heavy dose of accounts at this point, and West is looking a little light. So I might want to shift my boundaries just a little bit. So I'm actually going to bring more into Central, and I can just do this one by one if I wanted to by clicking each state. Maybe I'm going to end up bringing in most of, let's see, Ohio. Now that brings me to East 31%. I think we want to be about 33-ish. And then let's go ahead and add some to the West. Central, Nebraska, Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas. All right, how do we do? That's pretty good. So since I'm happy with this, I can go ahead and hit save. This is going to go ahead and create these 3 geo territories underneath my Amer Enterprise geo segment, and I am done and ready to make assignments.